Hey, you. Yeah, you. You know what you need?
No, I guess not.
The helping hand. Perfect for any bathroom or essential needs. It's good for soap holding. It's good for toilet paper holding. It makes a handy-dandy jewelry holder.
For the bathroom?
For anywhere. It's the helping hand. It's spookerific. Who wants to see how we made this? Who wants to see how we made this? I love this thing. And actually, we use it as a toilet paper holder in our bathroom.
Really get the right amount that you need and just sort of, well.
That's for a mouse to wipe its butt. But, yeah, we hang this in our bathroom now. And, it works for so many things. And it's so simple. And we made the whole thing out of just a random resin-heavy skeleton hand. I mean, it kind of reminds me of the hand sticking through the bathroom door, like, trying to sneakily hand you toilet paper because you ran out in, like, the guest bathroom of your friend's house.
How often have you seen that in horror movies? Just, like,
right?
The hand coming through the wall.
Yes. It's so freaking cool. I love the way this looks. So, of course, we started with the hand, and that was the initial plan. And then we got this nice little square block of wood. I was originally going to go to a craft store and buy an actual plaque.
Plaques, how hard is that to make? Just, draw an oval on a square piece of wood and cut it out and sand it.
I mean, it was pretty
Plaque.
easy, and I was fine with making it because it ended up being more special, honestly. But, I mean, we found this scrap of wood that we were just like, yeah, this will work. And I used a old embroidery hoop to get the kind of oval shape that I wanted. I'ma look at your face.
Look at my face.
Look at your face.
Look at my face.
I will look at your face.
Do you see my face? Do you see my face?
Oh, I'm a bad camera person.
Yeah.
Oh, yay! Light!
As long as you can shoot landscape.
I am. Oh, look, our comfy. Hello, comfy. Hello, baby. You and your light.
Yes,
you want me to hold the light? Here,
yeah,
just give
sure.
me the light.
Hold the light.
I was covering the microphone. Okay.
I'm not gonna need the microphone. It's gonna be loud as balls.
That's funny, listening to you, bitch.
Should always wear eye protection. Alright. Be serious now.
We're so super lucky that my father has a very extensive workshop in his garage because we are able to utilize that for so many projects and things around the convy. Like,
We have not had to buy screws in a long time. Look at you, though, getting that edge there super close.
it was so fun. I love woodworking. Like, honestly, wood shop was like my favorite class in junior high. I made so many cool wood pieces. You're out of focus. Why aren't you?
Always out of focus.
He's cute.
Because the camera knows what's going to happen to it.
What?
I don't know. I mean, we got it. There's a little bit of saw marks that I'm trying to get off. Gonna give it that 80 grit sandpaper. Finish it off with a little 220. Make it smooth, make it nice.
So drippy. Ooh. I am thoroughly impressed with this stain, obviously.
This is leftover stain that we had from when I made our bar. Basically, we're using the same stain, the same polyurethane spray to coat it and gloss it up.
It's also the same stain that we knocked down our steps and emptied out onto our bottom step.
That was not fun. Long story short, we had our stain and bucket of sandpaper here, scraps and shit, to go back underneath the convy into storage from our current project. And I moved the chair wrong and knocked the whole bucket of stain. This was some, what's this type of wood? This plywood?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was regular plywood. Now it's stained plywood, so that's the upside to all of this.
It's pretty now. And this is already nasty carpet, so
It was most of a pint of stain, though.
Yeah.
That's really
That
the
was
downside.
pretty full. So it's pretty soaked in, if you can.
Yeah, we kind of just spread it out and let the wood soak it up.
Yeah, we'll see how that looks tomorrow morning, I guess.
It had fumes
Oh
for
my
like
God.
2 days.
I thought I was gonna pass out from that smell.
So we thought, maybe doing center, but we couldn't get it exactly since this isn't a perfect oval. So our solution is that we're dropping it down lower than center. Yeah, that way, the hand is a little bit lower and kind of fills in the empty space. Because up here, you're going to have a lot of blank wood space. And then also, since it's not meant to be in the exact center, people aren't going to look at it and automatically see that it's not in the middle. So it's one of those that hopefully it's playing on the psyche. We're deciding to go through the back with the screw and then screw into the hand, essentially. Now, we made a pretty large hole. Now, since we made this large hole, that means when we put the screw in here, we're losing all of that grip strength. So what we're going to do, we're going to take some of our Fix-A stick, we're going to shove a bit down in there. It'll harden up in a couple of minutes that we can work with it. So, a few minutes later. It's dried up. It's basically,
So I'm kind of roughing up where the hand's going to go with the Dremel tool and kind of divoting it out so that it sits better in the spot, and so that this 2-part liquid epoxy adhesive will hold it into place, and as well as the screw, and keep it from falling off of the plaque when we put something heavy on it.
The screw should be fine, but we figured, be a little extra careful.
And I just cleaned up the edges because a little bit of the resin poked out. And there's still a little bit you can see around the edge, but it's really not that noticeable.
I haven't noticed it.
I'm just a perfectionist, as you can see. I kind of held its hand for a minute just to make sure it was okay and settled, and it felt safe and comfortable.
Oh, you held its hand for a minute. Basic wood project, basic craft project, but overall, really fun in the result.
We just screwed in this little picture hook thing, right?
Yeah, it's for hanging a picture. One of those extra bits and bobs that we had lying around from something else.
And it just hooks on the wall. We've got an actual hook, like a actual picture hook for it on the wall. So it hooks really securely into place, and I am not worried about it falling off the wall or moving.
I will say one of my favorite looks is the hand holding the eyeballs.
Yes.
And those eyeballs are soap.
They are soap.
It's a Halloween home decor prop that we kind of have as soap in our bathroom. But yeah, I think it just pairs nicely.
It does. It really adds to the spooky.
Honestly, it's something that you could pretty much make with any skeleton hand. I'd
say find a heavy one.
Yeah, it's awesome. I love this thing.
So,
one of my favorite home decor items. Mm-hmm. One of my favorite crafts. It was just fun.
Fun, 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 fun. And it's so freaking spooky. I love it. All right. Toodles noodles.
Bye.